Welcome to an overview of the HolisTech Horizon Analytics module. To enter the Analytics module, double-click the icon, utilize the Functionality Navigator or the Functionality pane on the left-hand side of the screen. Along the top of the analytic form, you can select the site, customize the start and end dates, or use the pre-configured weekly, monthly, or yearly date range. The Analytics module has 5 separate sections: Overview, Equipment Failure, Work Orders, Planned Preventative Maintenance, and Human Resources Management. Each of these sections have 4 configurable and interactive analytic charts. The current analytics shown is the overview, which includes charts for tasks outstanding by type, outstanding work by type as a stacked percentage, tasks completed by type, and completed work by type also as a stacked percentage. Hover over a region of an analytic and a pop-up will display the relevant information. Double-click to drill down to the information behind the analytic. Double-click on a list view to bring up the individual job details. Double-click on the edge of an analytic to enlarge the image to full screen. Click on the tools to configure the analytic as you would with Microsoft Excel. Let's have a look at the equipment failure analytics. The equipment failure analytics include completed breakdowns by number, completed breakdowns by downtime, completed breakdowns by labour hours, and top 5 asset failures. Let's have a closer look at the top 5 asset failure pie chart. You can now see the top 5 asset failures illustrated as a pie chart. Double-click on a section to drill down to the information for a particular asset. Here is a list view of all the breakdowns for the selected asset. Sort by longest breakdown and double-click on this job to bring up the details for the longest breakdown on the worst asset for the period selected. Let's see what information there is for work orders. The work order analytic includes charts for outstanding work orders by status, completed work orders by number, completed work orders by labour hours, and the time to complete work orders. The PPM analytics. PPM analytics include outstanding PPMs by status, completed PPMs by number, completed PPMs by labour hours, and PPM status by week. Let's have a closer look at the outstanding PPMs by status to find out if there are any very late critical PPMs awaiting completion. This list view shows all very late outstanding PPM which can be filtered for critical assets. Once filtered, only the very late PPMs for critical assets are shown. Double-clicking on a record will bring up the sign-off screen for the PPM. Finally, the HRM analytic. There are two HRM analytics: completed tasks by engineer as a percentage of time, and outstanding tasks by engineer also as a percentage of time. Again, clicking on a portion of the chart will drill down to the relevant information. For further information or to arrange a demonstration, please call 01793 823 013.